Oh, I can feel that. Woo. What's up everyone? So today I am headed down to Audi Greenville. I'm bringing my 2010 Audi R8 down to the dealership to get some work done on it. Hopefully you guys saw the full inspection video that I put up a couple weeks ago, just going over everything on the car. Everything checked out to be really good except for two minor issues, which you will see later in this video. The main reason that I got the inspection done was to just give myself more peace of mind with the vehicle. When I did buy it, I did not get an extended warranty or anything like that. The dealership that I bought the car from actually offered a 30-day, 1,000-mile warranty on it. So that's why I'm kind of rushing to get everything done on it before that time runs out. But the main reason I did not go for any kind of extended warranty was based on that inspection. So the amount of money that I would spend on a warranty does not justify the parts that need to be fixed. I'd end up spending way more money for the warranty, and hopefully the only thing that I foresee on this car is a clutch replacement if I own the car for that long. But as you guys saw earlier in this video, it is raining today, the first time that I've driven the car out in the rain. Everything is going really smooth with it. You know, the only thing that I don't like, and this is very, very, very nitpicky, the intermittent setting on the wiper blade is either too slow or too fast. So I find myself just clicking on it, doing it the manual way, just every now and then. Obviously that's nothing major at all, just something that personally I don't like, but other than that, it's been driving great. So without boring you guys too much, let's get on down to the dealer. Guys, so here we are pulling back into Audi Greenville lot. If you saw the inspection video, I was still figuring out my radar detection system. So this time I have it off. It will not be going crazy when we go through this door here. There we go. Into the lobby, into the garage we go.
You all right?
I'm good. How are you?
Good.
It would help if I left the key.
I will need the key.
Yep, sure. And I just got some stuff on this side, but that's it. All right, guys, so my car is here for the night. Ooh, almost the same color, huh? Very nice. A little lighter, very nice.
The keys are right there in the cup holder for you.
Okay.
You're all set?
So we're all good? All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow.
All right, man. I'll give you a call tomorrow.
Thank you.
Ready, okay?
Okay.
You're welcome.
Sounds good. So there it goes, and I will see it tomorrow. So while I'm still at the dealer here, I just want to show you guys my loaner for the next 24 hours. This is a 2018 Audi A6. This is going to be interesting. I've never driven one before. I've driven the S5 before, so I'm sure it's going to be very similar. But let's go ahead, hop inside it, because I haven't told you guys what exactly is going on today. If you were able to watch the inspection video, what I'm getting done today is the front driver's side brake caliper. I'll go ahead and throw a clip in of the inspection video. I'm not gonna be able to film them switching it out. It's gonna be a very easy process though. I'm sure a couple bolts just to take off the caliper and put on the new one. So there's really not much to show in that. But there was a small leak on one of the bolts on the inside. It looks like someone may have stripped it, trying to put it back in, and it was causing it to leak because it wasn't going in all the way. So that's what's getting done on the car. When I get back to the dealership tomorrow, I'm gonna go over all the costs and everything with you guys when I get back in my car. So I will see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna go ahead and start on a review video of this car while I have it for 24 hours. So make sure you guys check out that video too, but I'll catch up with you guys in the morning. All right guys, so I have made it back to the dealer. It's time to go pick up my car. Let's go. And real quick, you guys, I was able to keep the original caliper. So in the orientation that this would be on the car, facing the front of the car would be that way. This bolt up here is the one that was stripped and where the whole leak was coming from. So they did a brake flush on everything, got everything fixed up. Now I'll go over with you guys the actual cost of what happened today. All right everyone, so I am back in my car now and I have the service record in front of me. If I didn't mention to you before, I bought the car from carbiz.com. They offer their cars with a 30-day, 1,000-mile warranty, or you can opt for an extended warranty. This vehicle did not opt for an extended warranty, so I just have the 30-day, 1,000-mile warranty. If I had driven my car 9 hours to their shop and 9 hours back, they would have covered the caliper that I got fixed for free. Unfortunately, I did not want to drive 18 hours in this car to get that done. So I brought it down to Audi Greenville, where CarBiz actually agreed to pay half of what was done today. So with labor at $135, the front brake caliper, just for one, was $1,220.57. And then with taxes and everything, that brought the total up to $1,443.27. So again, CarBiz paid half of that for me, which did help. I still did have to shell out a little over $700. So that is what was done to the Audi today. I'm glad I got everything done within that 30-day time frame. Now my car is completely 100% ready to go. Aside from the tie rods in the rear that the bushings were wearing just a little bit, that's something that can be prolonged just a little bit more. But aside from that, just from normal wear and tear from an 8-year-old vehicle, this thing is ready to go. I can't wait to hit the back roads with it, take it on more adventures. I hope you guys subscribe to stay along for the ride. If you enjoyed that video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button. I'll see you guys next video.